guys, if you've been following me, you know that I'm filming in one day a few videos. That's why I look the same. It's not like I look the same every single day. So I'm gonna try to make this video as short as sweet as I can, and we gonna be checking out some lippies. I am honestly, guys, lipstick-holic. I have far too many lipsticks. I can admit that. Guilty. Yeah, lipsticks is something for me. Even if I would have zero makeup on, I would still wear some kind of lip product on my lips. That's how obsessed I am. I know. That's bad, right? I've been seeing these Revolution Pro Diamond Luster lippies popping up in the commercials constantly on Instagram, and it literally glitters. Well, at least it looks like it glitters. So I got two different colors because I didn't know how good or bad it is and how nicely it sits on the lips or no. So I got two colors only to see if it's worth it or no. So let's check it out. So I got color Lullaby, which is like a pinkish color. This is brand new, by the way, guys, as any products that I ever review. Packaging, I mean, the box was already glittery. I'm not sure if you guys see this properly. Then the lippy itself is super glittery. Oh my god, guys! I can't believe this. I hope you see what I see. What? How beautiful is that? How is this even possible? Oh my god. Wow. So this is a color Lullaby. Wow, I am shook because I couldn't believe it when I seen in those Instagram posts that it's gonna be that super glittery. Oh my god. Okay, so the color Razzle. Shook out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't deal with this. This is so pretty. So this is kind of brown with gold tones. And the previous was more like a cool tones. So beautiful. Wow. You guys, it's too pretty. Like, I'm even scared to touch it and put on the lips because it looks so pretty. I just really hope you can see all this glitter, all this sparkle that is on. I hope it transfers through. All I can say is wow. Well, I think let's just see how it looks on the lips, because so far, speechless, like mind-blowing. It looks like it's not real. Okay, let's try this out. It's so pretty, I don't even want to try this on my lips. I think I'm gonna start from a color called Lullaby. Honestly, I think this is the most beautiful lipstick I ever seen. I don't know how it's gonna look on the lips, but so far, oh my god, you guys. Okay, let's try this. So that Lullaby. What? Smells like roses, by the way, and it looks like a blinding metallic lippy on the lips. Wow. I absolutely love this. Look at my lips. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells like roses. I'm not a fan of any scents in my makeup, cosmetics, or anything like that. But it smells like roses, so it's nice. That's a plus. The lippy, you know, when you see the lippy itself, not the packaging, looks like it's mind-blowing. All this glitter. The most beautiful lipstick I ever seen in my life. On the lips, it looks amazing. This metallic finish. God, guys, and it's super moisturizing. It feels like I applied a lip oil on. That's how it feels. Super moisturizing. I had a glass of water next to me to do a water test, but I'm sure it's not gonna pass, you know, if it's gonna leave a mark on or anything, because it feels like a lip oil. It doesn't say anywhere in the packaging that it's long lasting or transfer proof or anything like that. And you know what? I'll forget that because it looks beautiful. But we can do a kiss test. Yeah, why not? I knew it's gonna be. So there's no point even to do a water test with a glass of water, because you know how it's gonna end up. Oh my god, you guys, just look at this. Alright, you guys, let's check out this color called Razzle. This one has more of a warmer tone to it. It has more like a golden shimmer going on rather than silverish like a previous one was. Okay, let's try this on. But right now I don't know which color I like better. I feel like this one is not as pigmented as previous one, although it still has the color on, it's just not as strong as previous. So this one maybe could be a lipstick topper just to add this extra metallic glow to it. Wow, beautiful, you guys. Yeah. Like, I love these lipsticks. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. Mind blowing. You guys, honestly, I think this is the most beautiful lipstick. I prefer, to be honest, this Lullaby color better on the lips. It's more like a cooler toned rather than this Razzle one, which is more like a warmer toned lippy. It's just my personal opinion. Although both shades are amazing, but the lipstick itself, I just really hope that you can see this glitter going on through the camera lens, what I see in the real life, because oh my god, you guys, beauty. I didn't do swatches actually, let's do it with them. So this one is a Lullaby, and then this one is the Razzle. You see how one is like warmer toned, the Razzle, and the Lullaby is cooler toned? Like, I'm speechless. This lipstick is so beautiful. I'm literally speechless. I have metallic lippies from different brands, which looks amazing on the lips. This can't compare with any of those. I think this is the nicest metallic lippy I ever tried, and it doesn't dry lips out. It feels like a lip oil on the lips. Super moisturizing. Might go and get some more shades in this just because it's so pretty. What do you guys think? Have you tried these Revolution Pro Diamond Lustre lipsticks yet? If yes, do you like it? Do you hate it? Because I absolutely love it. You guys, this is not sponsored by the way in any way. So I really hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. See you soon.